Never been shared from the March 3rd tornadoes. National Weather Service meteorologist Matt Reagan was working that night, responsible for issuing the tornado warnings many of us heard. And while he was closely tracking the tornado on radar, he noticed it was headed towards his home, where his wife and 2 children were sleeping. Reagan shared his chilling experience with News 2's Davis Nolan.
There's the National Weather Service's NexRad Doppler radar, and Matt Reagan was inside this building operating it and issuing the tornado warnings.
The supercell, we were tracking it all the way from the river. I noticed around John Toon we had the debris signature. We got the tornado warning out. At that time, I called my wife and told her to clean the closet out. And at that point, she knew it was serious because I had never called her to tell her that. So she kind of prepared, and then when it got a little bit closer, I told her to go ahead and take shelter. She went over to the neighbor's house, and the storm continued through Hermitage and the Mount Juliet. I have a little place marker on my radar program where my house is, and so I could tell it was going to be very close, very close. And so one scan of the radar came in, and it was pretty much in the neighborhood, so I knew it was going to be a very close call. Once the next scan came in, I tried to call her. Couldn't get through. The cell towers were down, obviously, but I did send a text, and about 10 minutes later she did send me a text saying that they were okay and the house was okay.
So what was going on in Matt's mind, knowing he still had to do his job and save lives of others in the path of the tornado?
It was tough, trying to, again, act professionally. Like you said, there were other people that needed the warning, and, there was plenty of phone calls coming in. From damage from over in East Nashville and downtown. We were getting those reports. So I had that, but also obviously in the back of my mind, waiting to hear from her. And once that text came through saying that they were okay, it made it a lot easier to kind of take a deep breath, refocus, because things were still going strong. So the tornado did go through the neighborhood. I live in the neighborhood close to West Wilson Middle School, which was hit. The tornado went about 200 yards to our south. So on our side of the street, we had nothing. Our neighbors on the other side of the street had trees blown down going to the south from the inflow of that. I would say there's probably about 30 houses that were torn down in my neighborhood. The top rated damage in our neighborhood was low end EF3. So it was, once I got off around 7 or 8 o'clock the next morning, going home, and seeing that, it was definitely surreal.
And Matt says he's like everybody else. You never think it would be your house or your neighborhood. So what's his advice?
I would say have a plan. That's something that we do preach, but that is something, I talked to my wife afterwards of, her saying, well, I don't know what we would have done if that was our house that was destroyed. So, I think now we're more prepared, if there's a tornado watch, go ahead and have a helmet in the closet you're going to go in, have shoes, have a flashlight, all that stuff ready to go in your safe space ahead of time, so when you do get the warning and it's at 12:30 at night and you're disoriented, all you have to do is get yourself to that safe place.
Great advice from a meteorologist who has seen it from both sides, on the radar and then in his own neighborhood. I'm Davis Nolan, News 2.